Hello, my dear friends. This is Omera. While I'm basically preparing for a delivery in this beautiful nature, I thought about something which I think it might help you. Now, look and find something in your environment right now and focus on it. Find something. It can be a book, it can be a table, it can be a chair, it can be your hand, it can be the ocean, it can be a tree, it can be the floor, it can be your shoes, whatever. Focus on one thing. Good. Now look at it as though you really like it, as though you're very interested in it. Take a few seconds. Look at it as though you're very interested in it, that you really like it. Very good. Is it becoming more alive? Is your humor, if is your tone about it goes up? Do you feel better about it? Very good. Now look at it with the idea that it's boring. I mean, there's no interest in it. It's boring. I mean, there's nothing. Very good. Continue looking at it. Does it become kind of more disappearing? It's not so solid or so real anymore? Exactly. Who made the difference? It was you. You look at it with interest, it becomes more alive, more interesting. You look at it as though it's boring, it becomes boring and it doesn't have value. Life is the same. You are the creator of it. You make it boring or interesting. So make your life interesting. Have a great day. I love you. Talk with you tomorrow.